In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up and customizing your Fortune Cookie widget using the Divine API dashboard. This delightful widget delivers a piece of daily wisdom or fortune to engage your users and inspire positivity in their day. Let's dive in and get started. First, log into your astrology dashboard. Open the login page in your browser, enter your registered email and password, and click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, where you can access all the available features. On your dashboard, look for the Widgets option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will bring you to a list of widgets. Select Popular Picks and then choose the Fortune Cookie Widget to proceed to its customization panel. Now, let's integrate the widget into your website. The customization panel provides 3 integration options. You can use the script code snippet to embed the widget directly into your website's HTML, an iframe code for platform flexibility, or a WordPress shortcode for easy integration into WordPress pages or posts. Choose the option that suits your platform. Copy the code and paste it into your website's backend. This will make the widget live. Next, let's customize the widget to align with your branding. Start by creating a new setting by clicking plus Create New Setting, or edit an existing one. Name your configuration like Fortune Cookie Custom for easy reference. You can personalize the design by selecting from pre-designed color themes like Serenity or Evergreen, or by customizing colors to match your brand. Choose fonts that suit your website's style, whether it's an elegant serif like Cormorant Garamond, or a modern sans serif like DM Sans. For the heading, set something like Fortune Cookie, unveil your daily wisdom, to draw attention and let users know what the widget is about. The subheading could be, crack open a fortune cookie to reveal a piece of daily wisdom. Let the message guide you through your day with positivity and insight, offering more clarity to users. Lets you customize subheading 2. Default text like Ask the Fortune Cookie can be changed to phrases like Get your daily fortune to better fit your brand and encourage user engagement. You also have the option to update the text on the buttons for a more engaging user experience. The first button label appears on the main screen where users interact with the widget. You can set this to something like Crack Open Your Fortune Cookie to prompt users to begin the experience. The button 2 label appears after users have received a fortune, allowing them to crack another fortune open. You might want to label it as Crack Another One Open, or customize it to fit your tone and encourage continued interaction. Before finalizing, use the preview functionality to see how the widget will look on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. This ensures the design and content are consistent across all platforms. Once satisfied, click Save to store your changes. Then, click the Back button to return to the widget overview, where you can copy the updated code for integration into your website. And that's it. You've successfully set up and customized your Fortune Cookie widget. This delightful feature will engage your visitors and provide them with positive, insightful content daily. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.